Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our Genius Soch YouTube channel. In today's English grammar period, we are going to talk about connectors, or they are also known as conjunctions. Okay, so let's start. Here, in today's video, we are going to learn what are connectors. Okay, so dear friends, a connector is a word which joins two words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Okay, a connector is also called a conjunction. कनेक्टर दो शब्दों को, फ्रेजेस को, क्लॉजेस को या वाक्यों को जोड़ने का कार्य करता है. अगर ग्रामर की भाषा में देखा जाए तो कनेक्टर और कंजक्शन एक ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रोहन इज काइंड एंड ऑनेस्ट स्टूडेंट. यहाँ पर एंड ए कंजक्शन मीन्स कनेक्ट करने का काम कर रहा है. द टीचर वार्नड हिम but he didn't listen. Okay, so here but has joined two sentences. You can wait here or join us. Okay, so or is working as a connector here. I was absent yesterday because I was ill. I was absent yesterday because I was ill. So here in this sentence, because is the connector. Okay, let's see some more examples. The same word can be an adverb in one place, a preposition in another, and a connector in it another. Okay, the meaning is that, dear friends, कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि जहाँ पर हम कनेक्टर की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये कनेक्टर किसी सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब का काम कर सकता है, कहीं पर प्रीपोजिशन का काम कर सकता है, तो कहीं ये कनेक्टर की तरह मतलब दो वाक्यों को, शब्दों को या वाक्यों फ्रेजेस को जोड़ने का कार्य कर सकता है. ओके, मतलब एक ही वर्ड, द सेम वर्ड कैन बी एन एडवर्ब इन वन प्लेस, अ प्रीपोजिशन इन अनदर, and a connector in it another sentences. Let's see some examples so that we will get more understanding. Let's see. I have seen this place before. Okay, I have seen this place before. In this sentence, before is used as an adverb. Okay, adverb of time. Here the same word is used in second sentence. Let's look at it. I reached there before evening. Okay, so I reached there before evening. Here this before is used as a preposition. Okay, के पहले preposition of time again. Then number third, I reached there before you came. Okay, one activity, I reached there, and second activity, you came. Okay, so these two examples, two sentences are joined together with before. Okay, so the same word before is used in as is used as adverb in first sentence. In the second sentence, the word before is used as a preposition, and the same word before is used in third sentence as a connector, or we can say conjunction. Okay, so this is all about the connector, dear students. Okay, now in this today's video we are going to talk about and we are going to deal with coordinating connectors only. So let's see which are the coordinating connectors. Okay, so some common coordinating connectors are and, only, for, besides, however, but, also, or, whereas, otherwise, yet, hence, nor, therefore, as well as. अदर देन दीज डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमने बिकॉज का नाम नहीं लिया है. ओके, आया नहीं है. but there are so many words, so many connectors or conjunctions are there, okay, which are not included in this list. Okay, so all these are the connectors. Connectors join sentences, phrases, words or clauses. Okay, let's see. Coordinating connectors join words, phrases, clauses और sentences of equal rank. ओके, ये जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कनेक्टर्स होते हैं वो वर्ड्स को जोड़ते हैं, फ्रेजेस को जोड़ते हैं, क्लॉजेस को जोड़ते हैं और वाक्यों को जोड़ते हैं जो कि इक्वल रैंक के हो. लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स to get more clarity about the use of connectors. Let's see. Here noun with noun. Okay, they are connecting noun with noun. Noun को noun से किस तरीके से जोड़ा जा रहा है, वो connector कौन से यूज होते हैं. Mohan as well as Sohan came to my house. Here two nouns are connected. Mohan as well as Sohan. So as well as here the words in red are the connectors. Verb with verb. Let's see. They worked and played together. Two verbs are joined together with and. Okay. Adjective with adjective. Let's see. He is sad but hopeful. Here sad and hopeful both are adjective and both are joined together with but. Okay. Then adverb with adverb. He spoke loudly and clearly. Here loudly and clearly are adverbs, okay, and they are joined together with and. Phrase with phrase. He met me in the market and again at the station. Here two sentences are there. He met me in the market and he met me at the station. Okay, so two sentences are combined together, joined together with and. Okay, so these are the coordinating connectors. So connectors are used with noun. They join noun with noun, sometimes verb with verb, sometimes they join adjective with another adjective, sometimes they join one adverb with the another and phrase with phrase. Okay, let's see again one more example. Sentence with sentence. He worked hard, yet he failed. Okay, so these types of connectors we have seen, dear students. Thanks for watching. Okay, so again watch this video carefully and learn well. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.